Vaishnav Kajaria from Dhirubhai Ambani International School. My project is about the floodgate. The floodgate is a gate that uses the force of water against itself to rise automatically, preventing the water from going into houses.
So I'm Aryan Khan, and our project is based on the law of buoyancy created by Archimedes, and it also includes the laws of motion by laws of motion. See, when this is shut, the rains in Mumbai have proved to be a big problem. Like you know, in 2006, 2005, 26 July 2005, many people were killed because of the floods. So we just made this because his uncle just passed away in the floods in 2005. So we decided, we got motivated to make something. We were all discussing about an idea, and we got this idea. Basically, it's about this flush tank. This is just a rough cut, but this is not how it's going to be, but I'm just showing you right now. When there's no water in this, the flush tank is at the bottom. When water starts filling, the flush tank starts coming up. When it comes up, it reaches a certain point. If you can concentrate on this black thing, when this comes up, so does the black thing come up. So when this is shut, a slight push can also trigger the door. So therefore it stops the water from entering houses, buildings, destroying a lot of property.
Basic motivation was how you could save lives using simple science.
Simple science. And if you must be wondering why it goes up so fast or whatever, it's actually not going to go up so fast. This is just to show the judges because it takes too much time. Otherwise it rises according to the water pressure. Yeah, water pressure. See, because we'll put many other rods and the flush tank won't be there. The ball will not be there. It will be like this. It goes slowly in a gradual movement.
This project it uses no manpower, no motors, no electricity. It's mechanized, and it uses the force of water to rise and prevent water from going into houses, buildings and schools. So this project, you don't need to give a push. There is no electronic uses. We've just used a hinge, and we use the method of a fish tank so that it prevents water from going into houses.